Hello everyone from YouTube, I'm Alan, the other creator here on the Appalachian Craft YouTube channel. This is a video tour and explanation of the Nazel 4B pneumatic power hammer. Alright everyone, so after the cinematic version of the video where I'm just forging a piece under the power hammer, I'm just going to give a quick and dirty explanation of how the power hammer works. The motor at the back end of the power hammer transfers energy to the back cylinder of the power hammer, which acts as a compressor. And it moves up and down as the power hammer works, and compresses air to be pushed through the front cylinder of the power hammer, and pushes the ram down, up and down, on the front side of the hammer. The treadle, which you actuate with your foot at the bottom of the power hammer, controls a gateway between the back and the front cylinders on the power hammer, controlling the amount of air that gets pushed from the back cylinder to the front cylinder, which also controls how hard the ram goes up and down and how hard you hit the piece of metal that is under the dies on the power hammer. Thanks for watching everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video.